Have you ever wondered about the joys of succulent terrariums? These miniature gardens are more than just beautiful. They're easy to maintain, perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. Creating your own succulent terrarium is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. Before you start, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a clear glass container, a variety of succulent plants, some potting soil, pebbles for drainage, activated charcoal to keep things fresh, and any decorations to add a personal touch. Once you've gathered all your materials, you're ready to start creating your miniature garden. Now follow these simple steps to create your own succulent terrarium. Start with a clean, clear container. Layer the bottom with an inch or two of pebbles or small stones. This will provide drainage and prevent the roots from soaking in water. Next, add a thin layer of activated charcoal. This will keep the terrarium smelling fresh by filtering the air. Following the charcoal, add a layer of potting soil specially formulated for succulents. It should be deep enough for the roots of your plants to grow. Now comes the fun part. Choose your succulents and arrange them in the soil. You can go with a single type or mix it up for more variety. Once you're happy with their placement, fill in any gaps with more soil, ensuring all roots are covered. Lastly, add your own personal touch with decorative elements like small figurines or colorful stones. And voila! You've created your very own succulent terrarium. Aren't succulent terrariums fascinating? They not only enliven your space with a dash of green, but also work tirelessly to purify the air around you. These miniature gardens, with their low-maintenance nature, are perfect for both seasoned gardeners and beginners alike. They add a touch of natural beauty that can brighten up any corner of your home or workspace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Happy gardening!